What if your Brazilian wax didn't feel rushed, painful, or shocking, but calm, like a spa treatment? You see, most women over 40 don't quit waxing because of the hair removal itself, they quit bad technique. If you've ever thought, why does this suddenly hurt so much more now? I want you to know it's not your pain tolerance. And it's definitely not a sign of weakness. It's about how your skin needs to be treated now that it has changed. From London to Toronto to Sydney, women over 40 are all saying the same thing: waxing just feels different. Our skin becomes thinner, drier, and it takes longer to recover. We live in busy cities, take hot showers, wear tight clothing, and deal with stress, all of which affects our skin. But most waxing techniques never change to account for this. That mismatch between mature skin and outdated methods is exactly where the pain comes from. But there is a Brazilian wax approach designed to feel calmer, gentler, and surprisingly spa-like. And TLC is what changes everything. I'm going to walk you through the 15 secrets of a TLC Brazilian wax, so you can finally get the comfort you deserve. The first secret is about pace. TLC means a slower pace, but not slower results. The pain you feel often comes from rushing, not from the hair itself. Your skin needs a moment to adjust between pulls. A slower, more deliberate pace reduces that feeling of shock, leads to less redness, and keeps your nervous system much calmer. It's the difference between chaotic salon rushing and intentional spa pacing. Remember, speed helps the technician's schedule, it doesn't help your skin. Secret number 2, lower heat means higher comfort. Many people believe that hotter wax gives better results, but that's a myth, especially for mature skin, which heats up faster. Using a lower temperature wax reduces inflammation and that post-wax sting. The hair releases just as well, but your skin is left feeling much calmer. This is a standard practice in high-end spa waxing for a reason. This brings us to secret number 3, smaller sections change everything. Think about it, big pulls create big trauma for the skin. By working in smaller, more manageable sections, there's less surface stress and a more controlled removal. This allows the hair to release more easily and you feel less of that harsh tugging sensation. Your skin stays calmer for longer, making the entire experience feel more gentle. Secret 4 is a big one, skin prep is half the experience. A true spa-style wax starts long before the wax is even applied. The skin needs to be perfectly clean and dry, but without using harsh, alcohol-heavy pre-cleansers that strip its natural barrier. Instead, a light barrier oil or powder can be used. Even the technician's touch during prep matters. A gentle approach helps lower your tension from the very beginning. Next up, secret number 5, hair direction awareness. This is so important. Most of the sharp pain during a wax comes from pulling against the natural growth direction. And after 40, hair growth can become less uniform, growing in different directions in the same area. A skilled technician who pays close attention and adjusts their application and pull for each section will reduce your pain instantly. This also means fewer repeat pulls are needed on the same spot. Secret number 6 is all about your nervous system. It's breathing. Your body needs to feel calm, not surprised. When you anticipate pain, your body tenses up, which makes it worse. By focusing on slow, deep breathing, a cue often used in spa environments, you actually help reduce the pain signals sent to your brain. Your perception of pain can drop naturally just by controlling your breath. It's a simple but powerful form of TLC. Number 7 is about support, literally. Unsupported skin feels everything. A great technician will use their other hand to hold the skin taut and support it during the removal. This simple action reduces the pulling and vibration sensation, gives them more control, and helps your skin calm down much faster. It's a professional standard that makes a world of difference in how the pull feels. Secret number 8 is a non-negotiable rule of TLC, no re-waxing the same spot. After 40, our skin is thinner and more delicate. Repeatedly waxing the same area is a recipe for irritation, redness, and even skin lifting. One clean pass is the goal. If a few stray hairs are left behind, a good technician will use tweezers to get them. It's about putting the health of your skin over absolute, aggressive perfection. And a huge mistake most women make happens right after the wax. We'll get to that in just a moment. But first, secret number 9, immediate pressure provides instant relief. What happens in the second right after the strip is pulled away is critical. Applying firm, gentle pressure to the area immediately calms the nerve endings. It drastically reduces that stinging sensation and sends a signal of safety to your skin. It's a classic spa-trained habit that helps your skin start its recovery process faster. Now for secret number 10, post-wax cooling, not icing. After a wax, the skin is sensitive, and while cooling it down is a great idea, using something too cold, like an ice pack directly on the skin, can be just as shocking as hot wax. A gentle, cool compress works much better. It allows the skin to calm down naturally and helps the redness fade faster. It's about spa logic, not extremes. Secret 11 is simple but so effective, breathable clothing is TLC. After your appointment, your skin needs space to breathe and recover. Tight clothes, especially synthetic fabrics, trap heat and create friction, which can lead to irritation and ingrown hairs. This is especially true if you live in a city and have a long commute sitting down. Opt for loose, cotton clothing. Number 12 is about aftercare, moisture before exfoliation. Mature skin needs hydration first and foremost. Many people make the mistake of exfoliating too soon after a wax, but when the skin is dry and sensitive, over-scrubbing will just cause more bumps and irritation. Focus on gentle hydration for the first couple of days, and then introduce a mild exfoliant. Patience is part of the spa mindset. Secret 13 is about unlearning an old myth, the pain equals success belief. For generations, we were taught that beauty is pain, and if it hurts, it must be working. That's simply not true. Pain is a sign of trauma. Calm skin heals better, has less inflammation, and ultimately looks better in the long run. The goal is to build confidence in a process that feels good, not to prove how tough you are. This leads perfectly into Secret 14, consistency beats aggression. A gentle, regular waxing schedule works far better than aggressive, infrequent sessions. When you wax consistently, your skin adapts, the hair grows back finer, and the whole process becomes less of a shock each time. This creates a better regrowth cycle and is the key to sustainable, long-term results. And finally, the most important secret of all, number 15, TLC is a mindset, not a product. The secret to a comfortable Brazilian wax isn't in an expensive new wax or a fancy gadget. It's in the intention behind the service. It's technique over tools, awareness over force, and calm over speed. It's about respecting how your skin has changed and adapting to its new needs. That right there is the true spa difference. Now that you know what makes a Brazilian wax feel calm and spa-like, the next crucial step is protecting your skin in the first 24 hours. There are a few key things you should absolutely avoid to prevent irritation and ensure a smooth recovery. Check out my next video where I break down exactly what not to do after your wax. Thanks for watching.